there, and welcome to this tutorial today. This will be a Wix Expert website tip, and this will be specifically related to blurry images on your website. Like, oh my gosh, how to fix it? And it's a pretty simple fix. So I'm going to go ahead and post that in here, by the way, which is our VIP community. If you didn't already know about this and you're just randomly finding this video on YouTube, if you scroll down into the comments section or the description of this video, I will put a link so that you can access this VIP community where you get one bonus training, network opportunity with other online female entrepreneurs, and one weekly live Q&A session with me. So it's kind of like my community coaching. So you can get your first month for a trial of $11, and I will put the link down below. But anyways, let's dive right into this. So what I want you to do is open up your Wix website editor. Now, chances are, excuse me, I just had like a little Croy water burp. Oh my gosh. Hiccups. So chances are your image is probably looking like this right now. Am I right? The reason that your images get blurry on your Wix website is due to the formatting. Now, when you go to like change strip background and you go to settings and this pops up. Okay. So if I click change strip background settings, and then I try to like original size or tile or whatever, this is how it looks. Am I right? You're probably trying all these different things and you're like, oh my God, I'm so frustrated. But you want your image to be nice and crisp and nice and clear, right? So my suggestion is this. Number one, if you are just looking for stock images, take advantage of the Wix library. Okay, there are free Wix images. When I very first got started with website designing, I was paying for a stock photo membership, about $50 a month for very limited photos. And that was even a good deal. Otherwise, you're paying anywhere from $2.99 on a lower end to $13 for a photo package. And Wix they contracted with stock photography. So you have access to thousands of photos, beautiful, high quality images for use for free on your website. So number one, whatever image you're looking for, I recommend searching for that on Wix first. Don't just go to Google because a lot of the times those images are copyrighted, so you don't want to do that. And if you're like, okay, that's not that's not helping me. If you are uploading your own media, okay, and let's see here. So if I'm going to image, you're going to your own image uploads. What you can see here is that there's this like .jpg. Now, the JPG or JPEG format is the one that is not going to be as high resolution when it's blown up. And the JPEG format is what will lead to images being more pixelated when it's blown up, especially if you are looking to do a strip or like a stretched image to fit the width of the screen, and that will be responsive on mobile devices. So even if someone has like a teeny tiny little tablet or whatever. So if you go to image uploads, you'll be able to see the file format. My guess is that the images are blurry, are JPEGs. So what I want you to do, this is kind of like a little bit of a hack. I don't recommend using an image resizer website just because I've had bad luck, not bad luck with them, but I've gotten some like virus and hacky type things coming onto my account after I've used those types of services, so I no longer use them. So what I would do is go to Canva. You can create a free account. Then what I would do, if you're going to be using a large strip, I want you to search for presentation. This is one of the largest Canva ones available. And what you can do is I want you to upload your photo. So whatever photo or whatever image you're trying to get onto your website, I want you to go to your file folder and upload that to Canva. So let's say I'm going to do this one. Now I'm going to stretch my photo to fit the full, the width of this. Okay. And I can always like adjust the crop and like move it around or whatever. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say banner. I'm going to re-download this photo. I'm not going to do PDF. I'm going to do PNG. This is a high quality image. JPEGs are small size, okay? They're fine like if you're just doing Instagram posts or something. But when you're using a website, you want to make sure that you have them in PNG so that when they're blown up across devices, you don't lose the image quality and you don't create pixelated blurry images. So download it as a PNG, save it to your folder. You're probably going to see my little hack here in a second. I have all of my things saved in Google Drive, and I have different images for my blog. So I have those separated out. Okay, so I have like blog. So I would put this, I'll just put it in here for now so you can see. So I will say laptop banner 16:9 so that I know the file size. That's just one of the things I do personally. Now, you can edit. You can do this from your phone if you have a phone app. You could do from PixArt. You could use the Over app. You can save it as a PNG. You can then upload it directly from your mobile to the Wix app. You can do this on the desktop. Right now, I just happen to be showing you the desktop version of what I'm doing. So then I would go to upload from my computer. And I'm going to go ahead and grab that image that I literally just re-downloaded. So I'm going to say banner because I know that I just saved it at that. Oh, let's see. Banner, what did I type it as? 16 something? Here we go. So this is a PNG. So now when I upload this image file, it's not going to be like up and down. I couldn't find this photo on my thing, by the way. So now if I add this to the page, or if I were to go change strip background, image, I'm going to go to mobile. Nope, there it was. There it was. I just saw it. And I click on this, the laptop banner. Now it's not blurry. This photo is naturally, you can see that this is the original quality of the photo. It's more of like, this photo probably wasn't the best. This is more, it's the same quality, it's just larger. But if I were to do like this one, you can see I could crop her up and down. And when it's blown up on the screen, it's not going to be pixelated like the other images would be. Okay, so that's how you do that. When you're changing the strip background, go to the settings, make sure that it is listed at scale to fill. Otherwise, if you tile it, well, this one doesn't matter because it's a huge image, but you can see like when I try to tile this image, that's how it turned out, right? So what's happening here, by the way, too, is one of the other differences, if you're using a photo that's lengthwise, like if you were to have a regular 4:6 photo or picture, versus if I'm trying to stretch an image that's naturally formatted to be an up and down image. Obviously, up and down images, when you try to pull them sideways, they're going to like kind of distort a little bit. So I would recommend only using photos for these background and strip images that are naturally looking very nice when they are in a side-to-side layout. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. So just a real quick recap. Check the formatting of your photo. Are you trying to put a JPEG image or PNG? You want a PNG image. What you'll do is upload that JPEG image into Canva, use a large presentation style photo, and then download as PNG before re-uploading back to Wix. I know it's a couple of different steps, but hopefully that should give you the size and quality of image that you need to create really good, stunning looking designs on your website. Just a side note, by the way, our Wix Expert Course is going live here in a couple of weeks, which is really exciting. So if you are looking for that like next level support to take the frustration and the overwhelm out of getting your site up and running in 2 weeks or less, this is the place where you will find it. So you can go to saramichaels.com/courses. If you get on the wait list for the course, this is a course, by the way, that will be ongoing. But if you hop on the course, anytime I'm doing it live, I will only send you updates regarding courses. And you will also get a waitlist exclusive coupon code to put towards your course, just as a way of saying thank you for leaving me and trusting me with your email. So that's where you can find that, saramichaels.com/courses. And the course that you would be looking for is the Style It Yourself course. Okay, the Style It Yourself course, and that'll be listed on here. And I am working on publishing that now. So I am looking forward to it. We would love to welcome you into one of the courses or in our Co-Creating Queens VIP community here. This just launched a few weeks ago. So like I said, if you aren't already, go ahead, click the link down below and you can get a trial for your first month for just $11. And I will see you in the next video.